This is an organic farm in Hong Kong. When farmers grow crops, they will not use chemical fertilizers and pesticides. They use compost, which is made of vegetable trimmings and fruit peel. These materials can decompose naturally. Water is led to the fields from the hill for irrigation. CDs are hung on the fields to frighten birds away from eating the crops. Farmers use natural methods to control pests. They will farm in a way that will not damage the environment and at the same time produce high-quality crops. This is a kind of sustainable farming.